Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Bluetooth on and off on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. Tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. At the bottom of the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth menu, tap the toggle to the right of Bluetooth to turn it on and off. You can also quickly turn Bluetooth on and off in the Kindle Quick panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick panel. Then tap the Bluetooth icon to quickly turn Bluetooth on and off. You can see when Bluetooth is turned on by the little Bluetooth icon in the top right of the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.